How to fix low video quality problem on Triller app. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the low video quality in Triller app. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can maximize or how you can fix the quality and you can look in the perfect HD quality of video in Triller app. So before starting the videos, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So you can see here, let me get inside the Triller application. This is the Triller application. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on this option on the bottom. You can see here there will be a profile option. You have to click here. So after this you have to click on this gear icon on the top right of your screen, and then here you will find an option video resolution. So guys, what you need to do, simply click on this and then you have to select 1920x1080p. So you have to just select this, go back, and then you can check your video quality will be awesome. I am 110% sure your video quality will be solved. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.